How to make your phone vibrate continuously on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device and search Vibrator app. You'll find this Vibrator app. Simply install the app and then open the app. Here you'll find vibration strength. Select the one you prefer. You can slide right or left, then vibration pattern, and then pause in how many seconds if you want to, and then press on start. After you press on start, your phone will vibrate continuously. You can also click on random and it will randomize the strength, pattern, and pause for you. And this is how to vibrate your Android phone continuously. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.